Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out of all devices on Paramount Plus. To sign out of all devices on Paramount Plus, you don't have a dedicated log out all devices option. Instead, the most effective way is to change your account password, which will automatically log out all currently active sessions across all devices linked to your account. Now, here's how to do it. First, access your Paramount Plus account, then go to the Paramount Plus website and log in using your credentials. After that, go to account settings. Click on your profile icon or username in the top right corner, then select account. After selecting account, change your password. For this, navigate to the password section from your account section and enter a new password. You must need to enter your old password to set a new password. Now here is some important points to remember. First, no direct logout option. Paramount Plus currently lacks a button to directly log out of all devices simultaneously. Then, security measure. Changing your password is a secure way to effectively log out of all active sessions on your account. Review connected devices. If you suspect unauthorized access, you can also check your connected devices section within your account settings to see which devices are currently logged in and remove any suspicious entries. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.